Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we have. Oh, wow, look at this. This looks pretty good. Now, I do usually buy a bunch of stuff, but this one I got because it's also being sold by Horizon Hobby, and so I do like to buy American whenever possible. So, red, white, and blue. This looks really cool. Let's see how to open it. Here we go. There's some tape. It's blocking it there. And it opens up pretty easily. Just like this. Here we go. Here we go, guys. And it looks pretty cool. So this is a 3-in-1 drone set, and do not expect the drone itself to be this small, but look at how small that is. Anyway, this is supposed to be able to go to be like a hovercraft, some kind of like plane thing, and the drone itself. That's why it's a 3-in-1. It has a strange looking remote that I'll take out of the box in a minute. In the next video, and we'll see how to put this together. But yeah, I do like to I usually buy a lot of these cheap toys, but this time I wanted to go a little bit more expensive. Like the other time, I also went and I got a free wing, and this one is, you can get this from Horizon Hobby as well. So, well, there's a lot of interesting buttons here on the remote, and we'll get into that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.